Hey, good morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. I've had a good think about this, and it started hitting me a little bit last week. With we had the indices are up anywhere from 1 to 2% again last week, and I get to thinking about the bond market. I mean, I traded in the bond pit, and I get to thinking about this. Why with all this bearishness out there, with every reason to be bearish, the bonds, why are they not coming off? I mean, all year I've kind of been friendly, and the only reason I've been friendly actually is because everyone's bearish, and everyone's looking for higher rates. Everyone's saying, the Fed needs to tighten. That all the Fed governors, not all the Fed governors, but a handful of governors are coming out talking about exit strategies and everything. But Bernanke keeps on talking. Rates will remain low for an extended period of time. So, I think about the marketplace last week, and when I wrote my weekend commentary, I do a weekly, where the bonds close on a weekly basis, where the notes close on a weekly basis, and the euro dollars. And I looked at the bond market and it closed higher on the week. And I'm thinking, with all this bearishness out there, and we actually had a good move lower last week, the bonds closed higher on the week. Well, what is that all about? Even with the good payroll number on Friday, the bonds, traded to a new low for the week, and then recovered and closed, a point off their lows, and I just sit here and basically the bond market is telling me someone knows more than we do. And I don't know, why they're buying it. Maybe it's beginning of the quarter's money. I'm not sure, but someone is buying this bond market, and as we all know from a couple of weeks ago, it's not PIMCO, or is it? Who knows? Anyhow, this morning I'm seeing it again. We have Dow futures up 10 to 12. We have the SPOOs up 2 to 3 handles, and the Nasdaq up 10 points. And the bonds are 13 bid at 14, up 1 to 2 ticks. So something stinks. Something's up. I'm almost thinking to myself now, you could almost throw a TLP gut trade out there and say, the bond market should be going lower and it's not, so close your eyes and buy it. Or is the bond market telling us that Wall Street's going down? So with that information, I will leave that with you. You trade these markets as you feel this morning. And this is Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. And you have a great day. Later in the week, I will talk about if you want to come and sign up for a free trial. I'll give you a couple of weeks because I won't be doing webcasts next week. So, Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. Cheers.